Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I want to show you how you can speed up your video or how you can make the fast effect, and there are two actually ways how you can do that. The first one is when you're going to click on your upload button, and now you can just click speed and make the video much faster. Speed on 3 or 0.3, or when you actually record it, right? You can go then to upload, choose a video you got, so I don't know, maybe this one, and you got here the selected, and you have this button here with off and on speed, and you can increase the speed. So when I'm going to play it on 1 speed, you can see it here that it's going normal, but on 2 speed it's much faster. Then you're gonna click next, processing video. Alright, you can add filters if you want, and some effects. And you can also use flash, reverse, whatever. So that's kind of it. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful, I'll be really thankful that if you would subscribe. And that's kind of it. See everybody in the next video, and goodbye.